What's up, guys? Adam here with Adam's Hair Stuff. And today's video is going to be just a little bit different style-wise, guys. So I'm just today's a really chill day for me. I didn't want to get too crazy with the camera equipment and everything like that. It's a little bit cold outside, and it's been hectic at work for me, guys. So these last couple of weeks have been pretty busy for me. It's been hard to have time for myself. So today is just going to be kind of a chill day for me, chilling with Ghost, hanging out. Doing a little bit of filming and just showing you guys a few things. So here he comes right now. Come here. Say hi. Say hi. Look. Say hi to everyone. Ghost. Yeah, this is my dude right here though. So that's what we're gonna be doing right now, man. Just chilling all day. But basically today, dude, I just wanted to basically give credit where I believe it is due. And what I mean by that is when it comes to men's grooming products, all right? Because let's face it, guys, there are so many products out there on the market today. So many beard oils, pomades, shampoos, facial cleansers, beard stuff, beard wash, all this stuff, man. And a lot of it can get a little drowning, in my opinion, at times, because there's so much stuff you don't know what to use or what brand to use. And that's the biggest thing, I think, is what brand. Okay, because I think every brand strives to be their best, they do, but in reality some have been doing it a lot longer and some have kind of found the secret to what their niche is, you know what I mean, and they really make great products for men. Alright, so today I just want to give credit to my favorite brand of men's grooming products, or the men's grooming line. And I just wanted to go over a couple things that I have from them that I just can't live without, man. Like, and I didn't know and realize that it was actually products from one specific brand, and got me thinking, like, man, these guys know what they're doing, and for good reason. Okay, so what that brand is, guys, is Clubman. Okay. Now, Clubman has been around for a very long time, man. I think since 1919, these guys have been making men's grooming products. So they know what the hell they are doing. They've been in the business. They work with barbers. They make products for barbers. They do a lot of stuff for men's grooming. So credit to Clubman, man. You guys are awesome. You guys have been killing it and coming out with great products. And like I said, there's some products that they have made that I can't picture myself not having in you know, my grooming regime. So I want to go over a couple of those, and the first one is this stuff, guys. Is the beard conditioner. The 2-in-1 beard conditioner by Clubman is the facial moisturizer and the beard conditioner. This stuff I couldn't go without, guys. This is a great product. It's light, it smells good, and it fucking works. The Clubman 2-in-1 beard conditioner, I've been using this stuff since it came out, you know, a while ago, a couple years ago, and I have always found myself reaching for this stuff as my main source of moisturizer for my face. And also, I've used it by itself as a beard conditioner, and it works great. So the 2-in-1 beard conditioner, guys, I would highly recommend this product. It is great. Works very well. Like I said, it's a light moisturizer. It doesn't clog my pores or anything. So 2-in-1 beard conditioner, stuff's awesome, made by Clubman. Alright, next thing is going to be the Clubman bump repair gel, guys. Now what this is just a repair gel to help with razor bumps and folliculitis. This stuff has saved my life, to be honest with you guys. Because I have very sensitive skin, especially when I'm shaving underneath here, or if I'm shaving the boys or wherever I needed to shave. This stuff has prevented any bumps from happening on my skin, or if I had some, this helped it disappear and go away, you know, in a substantial short amount of time that I was surprised at. So the Clubman repair gel is a fantastic product for guys who shave or shave daily, or who are prone to razor bumps and folliculitis, or have just any kind of bumpage from shaving, or needing to disinfect after you are shaving. The bump repair gel, I think, is a must-have for fellas who shave. This stuff, again, I cannot go without it, guys. I've used it constantly since it's came out, and I have had nothing but good experiences with it. The only thing that's happened with me with this is it does burn when you put it on. If you have a nick or if there's any bacteria on the skin, you can feel it working. It's kind of like an aftershave, but it works very well. So I highly recommend the Clubman Shave Bump Repair Gel. Great stuff, guys. Alright, next thing, guys, is the good old faithful, man, the talc powder. Clubman makes talc powder, and they make the best in the business, in my opinion. They've been doing it for so long. I use this shit every day, guys, on every single client that walks into my chair and sits in my chair. This stuff is being used, and I use it every day on myself. So the Clubman's talc powder is a must-have for me, guys. It works well. It doesn't coat the skin all crazy. It smells fucking fantastic. They have different smells, different scents. The Whiskey Woods, in my opinion, is the best, my favorite. So the Clubman talc powder, guys, old, tried and true. You cannot go wrong with having this stuff on deck with you. Works very, very well for what it needs to do, and that is dry out the skin and prevent chafing, things of that sort. So Clubman talc powder, must have, guys. Great stuff. Okay, and another thing is the Jeris hair tonic. This is made by Clubman, guys. This hair tonic, I love this hair tonic, guys. It smells great. It's been around for a long time, and what I like about it is it's simple. Okay, there's a lot of hair tonics that have oil in them or something like that, and this stuff is just glycerin based, so it's very, very light. There's not much going on when you put it in your hair other than you feel refreshed, and it actually does help with dry scalp, things like that. So the Jeris hair tonic is another one, man, that is a must-have for me. Again, I use this stuff in the barbershop all the time on my clients, guys. When it comes to buzz cuts or refreshing the scalp, cleansing the scalp, the Jeris hair tonic is a must-have, in my opinion, if you are trying to be your best and well-groomed guy, especially if you have dry scalp and want something that's just gonna refreshen your overall appearance and your skin. You can use this on different parts of your body if you need to. So the Jeris hair tonic, guys, made by Clubman, is another great product. So another one I can't live without. And basically, those 4 products are the ones that I've realized that, and I cannot go without them. And I realized that they're all made by the same brand, the same company, which is Clubman, Pinod Clubman, and they are awesome, man. I love their stuff. So I would highly recommend checking out some of their stuff. If it's made by Clubman, guys, I am pretty sure that it is going to work, and they stand behind the product. So Clubman is a great brand to trust in if you guys are looking for new stuff or see anything made by them. Now, just some quick mentions here about Clubman too, and a few more products here that I use a lot, but you know, I find myself not using them as much, but they are great products. Is their Clubman Beard Balm. Now, I only use this sparingly because this is a quite thick beard balm, and what I found that it's really good for is those times when I really need a lot of control in my beard because there's a lot of wax in it. So I find that this is great for really styling the beard and making it and manipulating it into exactly where you need it to be. So the beard balm I have found to be using like on special occasions a lot. When I really need to make my beard nice and cleaned up, this stuff works great for that stuff, guys. So the beard balm by Clubman is another great product. And also, I use this shit all the time in the shower, guys. This is another hair tonic or head and face splash, and that is Osage Rub is what you call it, Osage Rub. We use this stuff all the time in the barbershop because it has menthol in it, and it works very well for refreshing the scalp and stimulating the scalp. It is a very strong product, though. It has a high amount of menthol in it, so it is very invigorating. So you can use this stuff like I use it all the time on like some sore muscles and stuff like that too. So this stuff is great, man. The Osage Rub smells fucking amazing, and it feels amazing too. So if you guys like that really strong menthol stuff, the Osage Rub is probably going to be your best bet. Again, made by Clubman, been around for a long time. Great stuff. So yeah, guys, just wanted to, like I said, give credit where credit's due. And Clubman, you guys are killing it. You guys have made so many different products that I have used. Your aftershaves, your club, your talc powder, your beard stuff, your hair tonics, all this stuff, guys. I have used for years from Clubman, and I just barely realized that how much of their product I actually use. And there's a reason for that, and that is because it fucking works. It smells great, and honestly, all of their products don't break the bank. That's another great thing about them, is their products are all reasonably priced, and I don't think they're stretching too far and above to try to make a dime on people. And they just put out good stuff, guys. So Clubman is the way to go if you're looking for something that that's new for you and you see it's made by Clubman. Try it out, guys, because I guarantee it's probably good. So again, shout out to Clubman for making great products, and also shout out to all you guys out there who are continuously watching my channel and supporting my videos and leaving comments and all that stuff. It means so much to me, guys. I really appreciate all of yous. Another thing is all of these things are going to be listed in the description below. Be sure to check out those links. I am an Amazon affiliate, and I do get compensated for anything that you purchase through those links. So be sure to check those out, guys. If you guys want to try any of this stuff, they will be down in the description below. But yeah, guys, again, this video is a little bit different from what I usually do. Just try to make it a more chill vibe. And I do like this style of video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. That way I can get different ideas from you guys. But yeah, this is Adam with Adam's Hair Stuff, fellas. We'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.